Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So first step, go to shape layers and select this round and wrenchel tool. And let's create new shape layer. Okay, then click selection tool and let's select fill color like this green. This is color code and click OK. Go to stroke and change stroke color like this. Click OK. Then open wrenchel 1, wrenchel path 1 and change roughness like this for smooth. And click this icon. Let's change size like this and move to here. Okay. Then select this wrenchel 1. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate. And select this wrenchel 1. Let's change stroke height. Okay. And select this wrenchel 2. Change stroke 0. Okay. And change quality full. Then select this wrenchel 2 and go to fill. Let's select color like this and click OK. Select the wrenchel 2, open here and open path 1. Let's click this icon and change size. Okay, then select this wrenchel 1. Let's change stroke width like this. Okay, select this wrenchel 2. Let's move to up and go to fill. Let's select this color and move to up. Click OK. Then select this wrenchel 2. Let's Ctrl D and change scale. Let's move to here and go to fill. Select this color and change to dark and click OK. Then select wrenchel 3, move to back this wrenchel 2. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's change name object B, okay, or main, and go to pen tool. Let's make one line. Click selection tool and click fill, close color none, click OK and let's change stroke width 12. Then select this line. Let's change name tail 1 and open settings, contents, shape 1 and stroke 1. Change butt cap to round cap for smooth line. Then go to add and open wiggle paths and close stroke, open wiggle paths 1 and change size like this and detail. Let's change 3. Let's see. Okay, nice. And change points corner to smooth. Let's say again. Okay, not bad. Then select this tail 1. Let's move to here and select anchor point, move to up and click selection tool, press R, change rotation. Let's move to here. Let's see. Okay, select this tail, move to back this main. Okay, nice. Then select this tail, parent to this main and select this tail 1, Ctrl D for duplicate and move to here, press R, change rotation. Let's move to right. Okay, and go to stroke. Let's change color dark, click OK and select this tail, go to stroke, select this color. Okay, nice. So in this time, select this tail 2, Ctrl D and move to here, press R, change rotation and let's move to up and change stroke width like this. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So select these tails and let's control D, move to up, and right mouse, pre-comps, add name tail, up. And select this tail, let's press R, change rotation like this, and move to up like this. Let's see. Okay, and select these tails, right mouse, pre-comps, add name tail, down, click OK. So in this time, select these tails again, parent to this main, select this main, press S, change scale, and move to here. So in this time, select this main and go to solo. Let's select this anchor point, move to center, click selection tool, and select this puppet pin. Let's add one puppet here, one here, and one here. Click selection tool and unsolo. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then let's create 3 null objects for make controllers. Let's select this main, select puppet, and right mouse, new, null object. Okay, this is our first null. Let's hold control double click for move to anchor point center. And let's move to here. Then select this null. Let's change name controller 1. And let's control D for duplicate. Move to down. This is controller 2. And again control D. Move to down. This is controller 3. Okay. So select this main. Let's open here. Open FX, puppet, and mesh 1. Again deform. Okay, so in this time select this control 1, 2, and 3. Let's press P and select this puppet 1. This is one puppet, first puppet, and open here. We can see here keyframe icon. Let's hold Alt, click this icon for open expression, and select this, hold this icon, parent to this here, controller 1. For done expression, click this empty area. Okay, let's see. Select this controller 1. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Then open puppet pin 2 and hold Alt, click this icon. Again, parent this controller 2. Click this empty area and select this controller 2. Let's see. Okay, very nice. And let's close these settings. And finally, open puppet pin 3. Hold Alt, click this icon and parent to this controller null object 3. Click this empty area and close main settings. And select controller 3. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So in this time, select this tail down and let's parent to this controller 3. Select this controller 3. Let's see. Okay, very nice. And select this tail up, parent to this controller 1. Select this controller 1. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So our rig is done and we can make animation. So in this time, select this controller 2, press P, make new position keyframe, and let's move to right. Go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift, press page down in the keyboard, and move to left. Go to again 10 keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes, make easies, and for slow the animation, hold Alt, select these 3 keyframes, and move to right. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select these keyframes and hold Alt, click this icon, go to play button, property, loop out duration. For done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, nice. Then select this controller. Let's press P, make new position keyframe, and go to 1 second. Let's move to right and move to down. Let's see. Okay, and let's go to first second. Select this keyframe. Let's move to left. Okay, and go to 2 second. Select first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's see again. Nice, and select this controller 2. Press U for C keyframes. Okay, let's move to right, this. So, select this controller 1. Go to first second, press P. Make new position keyframe. And let's move to left. Go to center. Move to left like this. Okay. And go to last keyframe. Select first keyframe. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes. Make easies. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's select this keyframe. And let's move to right like this. And select first keyframe. Move to left. Okay, and select first keyframe, Ctrl C, select last keyframe, Ctrl V. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, go to first second, hold Alt, click this icon, go to play button, property, loop out duration, and click this empty area. Then hold Alt, click this icon, go to play button, property, loop out duration. Let's close this keyframe settings. Let's see. Okay, nice. So in this time, let's create background objects. Go to here, right mouse, new and solid. Add name background, click OK, move to back and go to effects preset. Let's write effect name for color. Select this for color gradient from generate folder. Let's use for this background. And open color 1. Let's select color like this, green. Click OK and go to color 2. Select blue and click OK. Select this color 4. Let's select color 2 and color 3. Let's select this green. Okay. So in this time, let's select this background and lock layer. Go to shape layers. Select this ellipse tool and hold shift, make one ellipse. Then click stroke, change 0, open fill. Select color like this, click OK. And select this shape layer. Let's open shape inside. Select this ellipse 1. And Ctrl D for duplicate. Let's move to back. Okay, and select this ellipse 1. Go to fill and select color like this. Click OK. Okay, and go to effects preset. Search effect Gaussian blur. Select this Gaussian blur. Let's use for this shape layer 1. Change blurriness like this. Okay, and select shape layer, press S, change scale. Let's move to here. And select this layer, Ctrl D, move to down like this. And Ctrl D again, move to here, again, move to up. So let's see. Okay, so in this time, let's create new solid layer. Right mouse, new and solid, add name, bubbles. Click OK. Go to effects preset, search effect bubble. Select these CC bubbles. Let's use for this layer. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's move to back. Okay, nice. Then go to effects presets, search effect glow, and select this glow effect. Use for these bubbles. Change glow radius. Okay, and let's try change settings CC bubble like this. Okay, and select these bubbles, press T, change opacity. Okay, and go to effects presets, search effect fill. Select this fill, let's use for this bubble. And let's select this color, background color. Change to blue. Okay, click OK and move to up. And change opacity again. Okay, nice. And let's search effect Gaussian blur. Use for these bubbles. Change blurriness. Okay, let's see. Nice. Let's change quality quarter. Okay, not bad. Then select this tail and all controllers. Right mouse, precoms, add name bacteria. Click OK. Then press P, make new position keyframe. Move to down. And go to 7 seconds. Let's press N. And let's move to up. Okay, go to here. Let's move to right. Select keyframes. Make easies. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So in this time, select this bacteria composition. Let's Ctrl D for duplicate. Press P. Select these all position keyframes and move to left. Okay. And let's select this first keyframe. Move to left. Go to here. Let's move to left like this. And go to last keyframe. Move to up. Okay. And let's select first keyframe, move to down, like this, and press S, change scale. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Let's press P, select this keyframe, move to right, and move to right this composition. Okay, let's Ctrl D, press P, select these all keyframes. Go to center and move to right and move to up. Let's move to left this composition. Let's see. Okay, select this keyframe. Move to down. Okay, not bad. So, search effect Gaussian blur. Select this Gaussian blur. Let's use for this bacteria composition and change blurriness. Select this effect, Ctrl C. Select this bacteria and Ctrl V. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's search effect hue saturation. Select this hue saturation. Let's use this bacteria composition and change master hue like this. Okay, let's try again. And use hue saturation this composition. This is left composition, and let's try change color. Okay, nice. Okay, not bad. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.